Na kitoko kaga. Umulinga. Ndio. Tikatokuwa na ndio mulinga moye. No mole. Ntage kwa kambi ya mwana. Mheshimiwa huyo. Mheshimiwa Paradisi. Mumwajete. Ndio mtombia. Manyasa mheshimiwa wandi bonsi bidero ngoroki na kiali the percentage ya kila sub-location ngakiawa registered voters ororo. Omanye kwa every sub-location kulingana na percentage. Mheshimiwa, congratulations. This is a good example. This is very good. I want to thank you. Again, I want to really praise you for the good work. And he has just commented here, Montariko Ubasa reform, amis, akwebu anyonde. Now, when you talk about your the next time. Congratulations. Abantu babintu babo kitendere ntegetemba kirembyamo. Enachicha ndolenga ki ebasa reforms chikoye. Ena ulebas machoge ngogenda Sengera Bosoti ngende Kenya ngende Bokimonge nchibomba nkolere voice burabu. Ibo ende nonkomyo. Gamba boy koserankuru kuyakumungu webasari. Okunako ekwengenjo naende na kutobosumeka horonge. Tadibo. Ngere ntoserenia myambiri. Kwenye yule mwambia. Akige yeko gereo mwana kule. Asombe tadibo. Iko abantu babiri. Ese ngakie obosera ento kore ekero yikura. Lakini small munganje nse kibasa nzere para nzere nyagitari tadibo. Nzere amache na ECD classrooms. Na mono ogembo ya itoga nere nyagitari ya kabiri baada ya KTRH. Lakini ogende ngani no nyagitari leo tiyo chibesa nyagitari ya marani njaro setu ngepindike gere ya nduru ekarosiwa na inchi na alisendele class matolosi ya ogembo nyamache omwakone. Weta bande bakoga o rusikibesa oire sobo machoge mubasi taina ile mubasi injino mugabana which ward 45 chi constituency kianda na lazima nkole gasi ya kilomon abo mugetutu munyayibali mubasi mumachoge munjari umugram abana bantu bani lazima bakole gasi. Tete kwa tell what happened yesterday. It was a very bad show. Yes. I want just to point out, you can imagine we are sitting this way, Kingo Kwana, Nango Kwana Ega, Omontaso Kikuruga Ega, and the Wakamasas. Just shooting a Wakamasas with Kingo. No moving a Kinki Wakrisas. Tabuati, nenda mwamu, emoko, libero, omomoli tabuati, abantu wakaumia. Na vora nyole, anaye wate, vora nyole, ulinaba rubaa, ulinaba rubaa afadhali yani. Paraboe babwate mission yeye, oyere, yani mission, tatageti bana basome, tatageti bagenderero, bugirango, ngusi ninjo mugabano kakini nyange okora magendero atebaki ya no montoyo abantu babugirango n'abantaba lakini kinga kinjiro turaike tutara transmission muntu gukora kuranya use no ane ngombe kunywa maji ke kuanga na moto ngenga yaya libage go wait amen manyao muntu wake tulisas liyo motoga ali ngimaya yani iko
anybody from the national government who wants my blood is for what? What are you going to use it for? Even if I die, I'll die once like a man. And I'm only serving, I'm holding brief for these people. Don't. If you have a problem with me, tell me. You have tried to send JSU. You have tried, threaten me. The only thing I know, I'll serve my people to the last of my breath. And I'll do justice to every person. The shooting of yesterday, it was uncalled for. Nobody. We are not in Somalia where Al-Shabaab walks into a meeting and starts shooting. Let us be peaceful. We want to see what the police apparatus will set in to unearth the act of South Mugrano. This is not the first time. They were nearly killed 3 doctors. Dr. Mtonga, Dr. Mantiko, and the senior nurse, simply to remove an aesthetic machine, which I had in 3. Then, the other event is when we were attending a funeral, where they came in throwing arrows, tear gas, again bullets. Yesterday, it was an attempt either to assassinate, and the police officers having AK-47, not 1, 7 of them, to come and shoot. 7 AK-47. One of the police officers is a police officer known very well, who was holding the AK-47. For what? Killing innocent people who have come to pick bursary forms. If you have heard anything, why can't you use the normal law to either arrest Arati or do anything else? Please, I want to plead my people. Tafadhali, mkuu wa pole, wacha tuone vile serikali itashughulikia swala hili. I think patience has run out. I've acted like a governor. Even when you want to kill a cat, sometimes when you have cornered it, it has to retaliate. I think we are at that stage. I don't want to go that direction. Hao watu ndio walipigia kura, sio mimi ndio walipiga kura. Nitaomba mkae wa pole. Imagine walipeana mpaka show causes letters kwa chiefs. Dhambi chiefs walifanya ni kuja kwangu tuongee mambo ya basari hii, tuongee mambo ya net mosquito net distribution. Eti wamekuja wao sasa ni maadui, wamepewa show cause letters. How dare we are? What kind of a country are we in? What do we want to show? Tafadhali, wale ambao mnatumia huyo muungwana, wachana hao wananchi. Kama mnataka kutoa kwa kiti, kuja kwa hao wananchi ndio wataweza kutoa. Hiyo tu. Kusema sisi mradi usio ni moja kama yeye. Lakini forces chinde njia loko legacy. Abantu bamwe tuta ideba tebi. Injetindi koligere maiga. Ego kwa abantu baitegazi mna mwanto mete. I want to give pole to so many people who were injured yesterday. Some of them I'm told they are in houses because they don't have even money to go to hospital. Abantu wetu wamugira pole of the incident yesterday. It was unfortunate. It was uncalled for. I don't expect this one to come out. We're only giving bursaries. If you have a problem with Simba, face him elsewhere. Don't bring it to the innocent. Kuna kina mama hapa wako wazito, kuna walemavu, kuna wazee. No, let us have little respect for these people who voted for us. Abantu aminto, mkoba saba, again take moyo, munganje. Onye tajama sabaino, abantu abange babonsabe. Kandi sege bamwire. Kakiyoko beke sara yao. ninyole asama sawa ese yimbu na mutuwa yerembe obuyibwa ngo kolekana ngeke county yebwa renge iguru kibesa na ocha ngo soka kuruga cyana bakora bikora binga abese yimani wata koleti atayo nektari nyaktari ogebo etayiyo ekwete abantu nabako nyora banagari marababe yabo kari 25 kire marabo abantu babintu ngo basaba nje muno mugama no ngalinka ngo basaba mutunyura sama and I want to promise
more one voice maya gaba denga ngoi ngabora sama sabaino ndiamono nyasaye abe nainwe omonna baseseni
tikwandira abantu nango bakwandira iga aliete gali kigalinye kikomyokani akego banze kwa kamasasi bakamasasi abantu bakamuneka amasasi risasi ndiri yanyoto umuntu olenge mayiga yane tingumanya ninki mwalengo mwaroche manya n'abantu naye ngukwanira. One of the police officers who shoot at us came from Langata, who had the AK-47, Langata police station. Manya kuru Langata mpaka Mogirango Mati. The other one called Kevin is one of the officers from Nyanjo police station. They had 7 AK-47. And those guns, they cannot be used by any other, the bodyguards, they cannot carry those guns. It's only the president who is taken care of by the Reke squad and the deputy. But even when they are carrying on, when they are carrying Chiba Undukichiri, they have come, the poor, they have come for bursary. Then some people emerge, even my brothers, police officers, who could be misused. How can it be that you travel all the way from Nairobi only to come shoot at the very poor, people who are receiving only 3,000? The only thing they have done is Simba addressing them. Abantu abintu mitegete masala monsa verani wanya tali amasabo kanga tinjo inje mwanga akirite kroso wanje kwene mwangi kwanga kanga tindi gento keke tindi mugaba lakini ba wanja makolera asigari. What is this that I've done? They have looked for me. They wanted to combine the MCS for impeachment. They found it is not possible. Oh, poison Simba, we can even poison him. God is there. They are unable to poison me. Now, the only thing, shoot randomly. Na votuko impeach Simba. Anyate kunyali kana mpaka bago isaransa. Bao kwana yonga na bako betu no ine sumu. Akitoko ntikana njiga nkine ngo ikere no ine myaka 60. Montige ndona na bana babake. Should I die and go to Kwesing and Joko Rabantu and Gusiagas? Bantuami Tunkuba Sama Mungira Sama Sama Ese Yero Okumulika Obivina, the Ras Mambo Muliki. Digo Osemo Muganeting boy. Yeah. No boy, Tokoyan and Avaitre Chinkor Tidikoboa. Nkuba kolera ndegas ese igiye dalia mu murolia yakora kanu muntu na role mayiga yae okora ibintu byonse because abanyagitari doctors were beaten up, they were about to be lynched. Save the police arrested those people. Another incident toko genda matanga na yandi chinsara chikarutocha chinza amatanga hivi ama sansi yagao bintu biri bono gaki onye na atemire n'abantu babugirango n'abantu abaya
lakini abantu bande batagiti bakolere gas kunye bagonse rikoro dingo jankore no ense ngamso muwanja boy bono
bone eren kayango chako chako saba
abantu bamintu ndaite basabe tusabirane na serikali okos Bugrango e constituency ya Bugrango neye moyabo yagusi chi constituency kyanda asendo mugaba n'abantu ba Bugrango kubakolera ndegazi banje bantu bali mbanje nabatanja ngokolera n'abantu baitu ba Bugrango ndegazi period nogo sero kugwe pasa
igo
osera bukole kongurwe mia kwagenda kwagura gusine sukali kweba amasoma aya awokonyegesa kuweta yoke myaka yose kusina bere ogosera ndasere nuko agacha ECD classrooms ogosera ndasere okuyesi mono noku make sure amalionga nalaria yakitali ayali nkugura 35 million every quarter lakini aende amanya koibwa banza konti clinic iskoga Yasa nomya ono mwako kabere tindiko mobi tindiko miembe kokorande gazi na mwantebeti na lichiko liko lya Kenya ligane tinkole gazi tuwana na bantu bamete iko munganjere because ngo myokande go chimagenje ngende
onye abantu bakonyore basari mbali bagete kuraga abo kimonge onye wage tumagenje gendoro onye kasi yabo gose muri ngoko ngo muri kuroro gose bumba gose magina gendoro le cyarango tole basari goko make a mistake obo form ibe na chigo so ai system ibe chonse chiko rejected iko bugoni ya mto ba mansa mgaki ndio wale nagi wao kumiga onye wakere danya Morris na chibo doki chichina na AK47 na urande Kevin kurugara gusuru omukutana ngwa bese bandenge ntengo baje basa ngogiranga anya kendele nako soka ngaga bawa kama sasi abantu bakaumia omuntu olenge maiga yane age kinisasi yogoto gaki ngori ngaki nkieke abantu bamenye tinko yele maiga lakini ngo abuli mayamba limukumbangere bachire wadenga ho babeka ba MCamo balete motion yuko nyindi chwandu sio bese anyoli mbako nya banyoli aba MC ikomna banabuka na ibukire kuba banyoli ngate kunyarekana bayisaranse yisaranso kia abantu babige sunte batanga na Yesu na mukuri mumubeke bono onye iya asinyire na masasi moja gutwa mugo ya hakina nje nkana ni miaka na 50 yo tabe munsa benya sama sabaini ama sabongo abole munsa berani ama liogo na golire kinyagitali Jones for 45 ama liogo yokurwari abantu kinyagitali ama liogo ainaro tayo abakoimukia bacha babugulia baenda koni kinyagitali kikiriniki aiga magena echinde osongo ama lioga bwende kutoka nyagitali ngotumia milioni 35 baada ya timu tatu kugura mayo ogende Kenya ire dispensary inside gawe koteki kwetu nero teyo abantu baminto tinkoligere maiga usibara mutagete mtamese ngi wako ngakera amapite muwanja mamuleke ngoba mulikande ase chingu cho monene tokolega ase tokonya abantu baito eyento mwangefe ekura mwangakete Teriasi ekura mwana kibuma ndinga Simba
Tukwana ningo iga new up happy new year Mia mono itangani mheshimiwa Beatrice, congratulations narona ekoenga among the best bao machogo sokuru ebasa igen tugia kabere abantu baminto etari koro ku Beatrice akoro ku Beatrice ekina kege sogekia koro era mwamurangalinga Beatrice usiga iganchia koleta matemu ya akira abana wetu chinkobi. It was good. They did very well. Our children and our schools in Gusiland. For all other days, they did very well. Again, to Kiagatatu, Ntaitentebe, Nima Itena promised Abasae, Vestagiga. Lakini, space, Nero, Evolete mpaka bon. Aralia. Aigali okidogazi yani. Paka matos. Mawati aling. Oyo nao na Chairman. Space Nero
Space Nero ngabuma
Chichina letrese basari yale ngororo Manyanga ekiyuka na kinkomoliwo abantu ba supply te ba inkolete mbeo bosa nabakan eseginere bagutumye mu mroyo abantu bakaumia Manyanga abasikari bande barwete Nairobi Langata police station abande nyanjwa ekirba getama sasa bakakora bakairana ebali kiranete mutandanga kazi ilikuwa safi Kisii safi kuita abantu babantu and the only target was Simba Arati. What have I done to anybody? I've not stolen anything. I want to say this one in Swahili and in English. The police officers who were used yesterday, one of them called Morris, comes from Langata police station. He had a AK-47. Kevin Langat, he had an AK-47 from Nyanchwa. There were 7 AK-47 in the shooting in South Mugango. And the only target is Simba Arati. What have I done to this government? Yani, what is it that I cannot be told? Why should you use Osoro as a conduit just to kill me? Why can't you leave also me to get to, even if it's 50 years? Because if you are thirsty of blood, why should you want to kill me? This is not the first incident, and the authority is quiet. There are some senior police officers in Kisii who are collaborating to finish the agenda of homicide. I want to ask my good people, please remember me in prayers. 3, 4, 4. Omotie mnoch koera tumaye kwa abana ba form 1 na Polytechnic vocational training centers abana bako gendoro ngosaba especially secondary abana bali abatakapino enaye ko manyite moletere omweshimiwa Beatrice andentere tokonya abana basome boli mumbo iyo oboli mumbo atigere nara libole na se obongo mo wanje boyo kwanza bali maito gaiga manyanyo montoyo mo sengenje obongo bwa IT ka cross billion boli mumbo lege bora rose billion iko obongo bwa atigere bweka
gose obole mwesi watigere no sobongo tokonya abana baitu babe ka bakonye gusiye egento kende abantu bamintu mwaroche segia sogete ogirango igoro mwaroche gakia abantu baumye toro na tubwato mukutano ego abantu barugali negali baike banzi wakamasasi bagaakamasasi abantu bakaumia mpaka umuntu ulingi magayane nero age tulisasi ogotoga na kumetinga ki ninki na korire eserikali enkobolia ninki nekebenje kobe gavana mtua chiete na abantu bonsi yepi tukabole nkababwa gaki inki bakomboli manyanga tigamba tebi babekira hamo bachire koliba lyaba MCA bandusio biswa mbinchi banore babwata ba MCA komna banaboka baisara ansire batebire ngonyo impeachment yasinyire tikano ene sumu muligeri mumubekere mwenye n'abantu bakora boyo no muntu bwate myaka 68 ngo mulinga gaki to wanja nenje gaki ninkaba ne myaka 50
Terangata police station Okoroku Morris. That officer comes from Rangata police station who was shooting at South Mugranga. Morris ekera ko ite wakama sasi ari gete asumtanda we have done a very clean work in South Mugranga. Clean work keromo ngina oche tukoyere mwana oye a form omongino ore marit abangina bari ngimurit krama sasi agetu bakatamo chimetaro enele clean work ukina kolere serikali osoro tario kora bintu bribiek ebintu birumuntu naro maina ta bonjo kana nechigari nechabaskali ondenga arebusa abantu baminto omurundo mukuletie ebunduki onyemuroche oliyo obegete satenda bwate AK47 akuru Kevin Langat mwali gaiga nani babwate AK47 isano ibere ngoboli inki na kolere serikali ekebegioka na kolere ekebegioka no wote nyo boyu aringe busongoga chile sabai ko bana cheji tu aletre to na ne basari enya gitari ya level 5 ya ingo sangere milioni 47 metenye tatu bono iga ingo sangere milioni 190 na aliwa ko ira milioni 150 ekebekike bana kolere ngai kebana kolere ngana aletre chibesa na ko wagacha de nyatali nyoge ogembo de nyatali akabe baada ya KTRH aigamara wabango na chitugo tukongo nyora bangina emeronge bino batano bako nyora bana nyatali merega tiyo South Mugirango ne constituency yemwe yabayane abantu ba South Mugirango n'abantu bana bangakirete chikura tinko bali na gas tinko bali na kokora magendero esencho montoyo ndaitemba sana ento gyoka muranko nyabantu bana namasabuka masasi atumeke asaba abantu bako ukibasa kali bantu batene abantu abataka baje tukuji form cy'abantu abantu baje tukuji wisa tuchoka driver dakika moja tunamaliza ata